This is the all-new 2026 Volvo XC90, finished in one of the most stunning, deep, mirror-like black colors you'll ever see on a luxury SUV. Not loud, not flashy, just pure confidence. This is the kind of car that doesn't need to scream for attention. It commands respect the moment it arrives. The XC90 has always been about calm power, Scandinavian elegance, and unmatched safety. But for 2026, Volvo has taken that legacy and elevated it into something truly special. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement for people who value class, intelligence, and quiet luxury. Price. Now listen carefully, because this part is going to shock you. You look at this blacked-out luxury, three-row European SUV, and your brain automatically thinks, this must be insanely expensive. Something like $75, $80, maybe even $90,000, right? Wrong. The 2026 Volvo XC90 is expected to start around $58,000 in the United States. Yes, $58,000. That's it. For a luxury SUV that gives you premium materials, world-class safety, advanced technology, and a VIP-level driving experience, this price almost feels illegal. Low budget, high luxury. Simple design, uncountable benefits. This car proves that you don't need to overpay to feel special. Volvo just made the impossible possible. Exteriors designed. Let's talk about the exterior, because this black color transforms the XC90 into something dangerously elegant. The front grille is bold but refined, framed by Volvo's signature, Thor's hammer LED headlights that cut through the night like precision blades. In black, the contrast is insane, sleek, sharp, and incredibly premium. The body lines are clean, smooth, and timeless. No unnecessary creases, no over-design. This SUV looks expensive today, and it will still look expensive 10 years from now. The black paint reflects light beautifully, giving the XC90 a deep, almost liquid appearance that changes depending on the angle. From the side, the long wheelbase and balanced proportions scream confidence. The chrome accents are subtle. The door handles sit flush, and the alloy wheels complete the look with quiet authority. Around the back, the vertical LED taillights are unmistakably Volvo. Modern, recognizable, and classy. This isn't a car built to impress everyone. It's built to impress the right people. Interiors designed. Step inside and the world instantly slows down. The interior of the 2026 Volvo XC90 feels like a luxury. Scandinavian living room on wheels. Soft leather, real wood trims, brushed metal accents. Everything you touch feels intentional. The black exterior paired with a calm, elegant interior creates a perfect balance between power and peace. The seats are beautifully shaped, supportive, and designed for long drives without fatigue. This is not just luxury you see, it's luxury you feel. Technology and infotainment. At the center of the dashboard sits a large vertical touchscreen powered by Volvo's latest Google-based system. Navigation, music, climate, apps, everything is smooth, fast, and intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and over-the-air updates come standard. This car doesn't age, it evolves. Rear seats. Move to the rear, and you'll find generous legroom, premium materials, and a quiet cabin that feels first class. Even tall passengers sit comfortably, and the panoramic roof floods the interior with natural light. This is luxury for everyone, not just the driver. Competitions. Compared to rivals like the BMW X5, Audi Q7, and Mercedes-Benz GLE, the XC90 stands out by offering more safety, more calm, and more value for the money. While others focus on sportiness, Volvo focuses on real-life comfort and trust, and that makes all the difference. Engine and performances. Under the hood, the 2026 XC90 offers efficient, turbocharged, and mild hybrid powertrains that balance performance with fuel economy. Smooth acceleration, confident highway cruising, and intelligent all-wheel drive make this SUV feel strong without being aggressive. Its power, refined, safeties and driver's assistances. Volvo doesn't play when it comes to safety. Advanced collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and driver awareness systems are all here. This SUV is constantly watching the road, even when you're not. Comfort and driving experiences. Driving the XC90 feels calm, controlled, and luxurious. The suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly. Road noise is minimal, and every journey feels relaxed. This is the kind of car that makes traffic less stressful and long drives more enjoyable. European launched and market impacts. With its European launch, the 2026 XC90 is already making waves, proving that luxury doesn't need to be loud or overpriced. It strengthens Volvo's position as a brand that understands modern buyers, people who want value, intelligence, and style in one package. Final thoughts. The all-new 2026 Volvo XC90 in black is not just a luxury SUV, it's a smart decision. Beautiful, safe, affordable, and incredibly refined. It doesn't chase trends. It sets standards, and at this price, it honestly feels unreal. If quiet confidence had 4 wheels, this would be it. Turbo Legacy, where real luxury speaks softly but leaves a lasting impact.